Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to rebook your Cebu Pacific flight step by step. If your travel plans have changed, don't worry, just follow this simple guide. Let's get started. First, open the Cebu Pacific website and make sure you are logged into the account you used to book your flight. This is important so you can easily access your reservation. Next, go to the Manage Booking section. Here, you should see your flight details. If your booking is not showing, don't worry, just use the Add Booking option. Enter your reference number, last name or email address, then tap on Add Booking to retrieve your flight. Once your booking appears, select the option called Modify Flight. After that, choose either Rebook or Change Flight depending on what you see. Now select your new preferred travel date and choose the flight that suits you best. You'll be shown the available options along with any fare differences. Before confirming, carefully review any additional charges or fees. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your changes. Once done, you'll receive a new itinerary in your email with your updated flight details. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tutorials.